Yeah, yeah, you can start.
So hi and assalamualaikum guys. My name is Nur Muhammad Rafiza. So today I'm going to present about my topic, which is manipulation in dubbing, the translation of selected series from the English language SpongeBob SquarePants into Malay. Okay, so the for introduction, what is manipulation? First, I will tell you guys what is manipulation. Manipulation or the synonym one is a mistake that made by the dubber. Manipulation can be recognized in a number of ways. It may take like the form of financial coercion or family manipulation or also being dubbed. So basically manipulation is known as financial manipulation. But in this case, I will say that manipulation same as mistake that dubber made when doing the dubbing. That is manipulation. And what is dubbing? And when did dubbing use? Actually, dubbing or known as audio visual translation, or we can say that is revoicing the video or the clip of the, let's say, of the cartoon series. And dubbing is a term used to describe the process of what is uh, revoicing the video. And dubbing also is the post-production method that of perfecting or inserting sounds from a motion picture. And we can also say that dubbing is a translated video that we translate it first and we talk it back in the other language. That is dubbing. Dubbing used when we want to like convert the source language to the target language, like bringing the American movies or American cartoon series into our Malaysia industry. That is when dubbing. Basically, dubbing in Malaysia, I can give an example when we translate Malay. It's not Malay. English cartoon series to the Malay cartoon series to the Malay language. That is for introduction. Okay, so for the objective of the study, it is to find out the translation strategies used in the meaning of SpongeBob SquarePants into Malay. And that is to determine whether the Malay dubber succeed in conveying the meaning of the original script into Malay or not. That is for research questions. Okay, there are two research questions for my topic. First one is what are the translation strategies used to dub the meaning of SpongeBob SquarePants into Malay? The next one is to what extent does the Malay dubber succeed in conveying the meaning of the original script into Malay? That's for objective and research question. Next, for my literature review, I will explain about in detail on the words of dubbing and emphasize more on the mistake that I found in the selected series of SpongeBob SquarePants. And also the framework was about the standard needed for a language to be considered translated well, like how the dubber choose the language to be considered translated well. That's for framework. I'm sorry. Okay. Next, I will talk about the process of dubbing. Process of dubbing usually takes place on a dub stage, like after sound editors edit and prepare all the stuff and things. I will do everything and how the dubber how the dubber uh, process their dubbing, their project dubbing. That's for my literature review. And so for methodology, there are two methods that we will use in this study, same goes with I said like just now, which is quantitative and qualitative. First is for quantitative is survey question. There are 10 questions that we'll ask in the survey form. And for the quantitative is a data analysis. We'll done based on the information in the selected series that I will do a research about it. And okay, for the quantitative method, there are 10 questions, I said just now. And Google Form will be created a week before the distribution. And there are 50 students from, okay, this is my final basically. There are 50 students from the I course and 50 students from other course. And I planned this because I want to compare the answer and their knowledge about what is dubbing in different perspectives, like from the TI perspective and from the other course perspective. Okay, this is okay. That like all the participants are in management science university, which is our university. the 15 students from DTI student and the 15 students from the other course. That is a qualitative method, which is I will examine the mistake or manipulation that has been spotted in the selected series, because I want to identify the cause of the mistake that made by the dubber, and I also want to identify the challenges that faced by the Malay dubber while doing the dubbing. Okay, Doctor, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Well done, Rafiza.